Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. These are countertop stylings, the pasta cookers. Let me give you overall dimensions first. For the units entire length, about like a 21 and the half inches. And the overall depths, they are about like 16 and 3 and 4 inches deep. And the overall height is about like 11 and 1 and 4 inches tall. As we can see, the units, they come with the two different sections. The controller is on top. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. So as we can see, this is the top, and they do have two handlebars on the side, and having the indicator lights on the top of the units for both sides, and also have a switchers and temperature adjusters. The highest temperature they can reach about like 375 degrees. And for each of the pasta makers, it's about like 4 inches diameters, and they about like 4 inches deep too. And when we remove it, we can just simply to remove this cover lids. For this cooking space, it's about like a 9 and 1 and 4 inches wide, and 11 and 3 and 4 inches long, and the overall height is about like 6 inches. So the unit's made by all stainless steels. And when we turn around, we can see they do have a sanitation stickers at the hands. They come in with the ETL sanitations on it, and also they do having two split the plugs right here. They're both using the standard of 110 plugs. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.